If you want to draw a simple and cute cartoon dog, start by sketching a big circle in the center of the page and two smaller overlapping circles at the bottom of the big circle. These circles are the foundation for the dog's head and snout. Next, draw two slightly curved vertical lines, extending from the smaller circles to create the outline of the dog's body. Then, sketch one straight horizontal line at the bottom, along with two half circles in front of the line, and another two half circles behind it, to form the dog's bottom and feet. Add two curved lines in the back that meet at a point for the dog's tail. Now that you have the basic outline in place, go back up to the head and trace around the three circles to create the outline of the dog's face. Add a small downward pointing ear on each side of the dog's head. Sketch two small circles inside the face for the eyes, and add two short curved lines for the brows and oblong nose. Sketch the two forelegs using two parallel lines. Add another two parallel lines inside the half circles to add detail to the dog's paws. Feel free to add any other details you'd like a collar or shading around the dog's eyes and nose. Then, erase all the unnecessary lines and color the drawing with crayons or markers.